I thrifted this shirt to turn it into a costume for Tybalt for Baked Shakespeare, which does a twist on Romeo and Juliet by Shakespeare. Let's see what we can cook up. Hi, I'm Ruby, a self-taught fashion designer, learning as I go. Welcome back to my channel. Let's get sewing.
So this is part 2 of me creating costumes for a Romeo and Juliet performance by Baked Shakespeare. Today we are working on a character named Tybalt. So you're still in the same color palette as Juliet, and I thrifted this amazing shirt. It's amazing. Look at the detail, look at those little sparkles. So we are going to give it a 2010 baked spin on it so that it best fits the production style. For today's inspiration, I don't really have much because based off what I was sent about Talbot, this is his character's profile. So we're just gonna make it a cropped shirt and try to like pizzazz it a lot and just make it my kind of design. I'm pretty excited about it, but I also don't want to add too much stuff to it because it needs to be like something they can easily pull on and easily pull off. So yeah, I'm just hoping it comes out pretty great. Okay, so with the shirt, I do like the fit of it, but we're definitely gonna make it short sleeved as looking at the inspiration they have for the character. So we're just gonna like shorten the sleeve, and I really want to keep the button feature as well, but I just want to add more to it. So I'm thinking for like the buttons to come over here like that, like a little bit to the side, but I still want to like keep this in the middle, if that makes sense. But I feel like this is gonna be the perfect length to just cut it off right where the slit starts, crop it off like that. I feel like that's going to be the perfect length.
This is my decision. This is my decision. I don't think you listen. You listen. I don't think you listen.
To create the style that I'm going for, I'm gonna cut off the buttons and the buttonholes of the shirt.
It must mean I'm on your case. For me to come out, it means that I'm not the dog. I want to show you my world. Give me one break, I need faith. Faith to believe it, faith to receive it. Give me something I'm lacking. I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me.
Taking the back piece of the shirt that I cut off, I'm gonna put it on the side where the buttonholes was, and then I'm gonna take the strip of the buttons and I'm gonna stitch it onto the other side. So I'm gonna using the piece as like a flap, so it's gonna flap over to the other side so that we have the buttons to the side of the shirt without shifting the collar position. Now taking the strip that has the buttonholes, I'm just gonna stitch them right next to the flap of fabric. So I'm just folding the top of it because the flap is already hemmed, and then I'm gonna just stitch it alongside the end of that flap. This is what we have after attaching the flap and the buttonhole strap. Now I'm gonna go ahead and overlock that raw edge of the shirt. Now going ahead and just stitching the piece that has the buttons onto the shirt. And this is how it turned out. I'm also just gonna go ahead and overlock the raw edge.
And when we're making love, your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and hem the side that has the buttons onto them, and then the side that has the flap, we are just going to do a top stitch.
Every time I look into your eyes,
Also went ahead and hemmed the bottom of the shirt, so now we're just gonna take it to our iron and do a little tiny fold for our hem. Now we're gonna make this long sleeve into a short sleeve. I want the sleeve to not be too short. I just want it to be like in the middle, maybe around the elbow section. This totally depends on how long you want your sleeves to be, and we're just gonna cut that off and overlock around it and hem it.
take some time just to get back and forth. That I had days full of you, before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now. Don't you love when I come around? Fill you up, then I take it down. Don't you love when I come around? Build you up, then I take.
Such a fun piece. I love how you can play around with the buttons and get different silhouettes with the same shirt, and it was also pretty easy to make. I feel like this is like definitely top 3 easy upcycles that you can do with a shirt, and I feel like it also matches really well with the character description. And if you did not watch part 1 of me making these 2 costumes for a Romeo and Juliet play by Baked Shakespeare, you can watch part 1 right here and see what I did for Juliet's outfit.